Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit eyes makeup on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So in the home screen, just open a project, and if you open that, just you can find the lower bar at the lower side of the screen. And if you want to edit your eyes makeup, just click the makeup button next to the hairstyles. Here click the third option, the eyes, and you can find different options. And if you want to set the strength of that, click to the white icon and just pull on the line. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.